Seoul, South Korea. I'm Junghee from Hello K Cooking Class. As you can see, today I prepared KFC. With this one, we will make Korean style fried chicken. Junghee, fried chicken is not Korean. Yeah, but there is a Korean style fried chicken, which is 양념치킨. How different? A lot of different flavor of sauce is the main differences. Mainly, there are two different types of fried chicken at KFC, right? So one is crispy, the other one is original. You should prepare crispy chicken. So let's talk about our ingredients. I prepared the gochujang, which is Korean chili paste, sesame seed, rice syrup. You can prepare any sugary syrup. Honey would be lovely. And soy sauce, ketchup, and minced garlic, and chili powder, sugar, and with this KFC. Let's make sauce. I will make this beautiful sauce quite a lot. Then half of that sauce I will keep it, and the rest of it I will make 양념치킨. So to the wok, let's add 10 spoons of tomato ketchup and 2 big spoons of minced garlic and 1 big tablespoon of chili powder and 6 spoons of sugar. And 2 spoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. For the sticky texture, I'm adding this syrup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look at this chili paste. With this one, we can make a lot of Korean food. Tteokbokki, you heard about it. We made it, right? Let's add 2 big spoons of chili paste. 1, 2. So add everything. Let's mix. So now let's boil this with high max fire. Ooh. You should mix it. Not too burnt. Keep mixing it. So it starts boiling, right? And mixing. Not too boring. We don't boil for a long time. Only 30 seconds to 1 minute is pretty enough. So let's turn it off. Can you believe it? Sauce making is done. To the empty container, I will keep half of this sauce, and then whenever I want to eat fried chicken, I will dip in this sauce. So let's move it. Ooh, look at the texture. This one for the next time. Yeah, this is Korean 양념치킨 sauce. Super tasty. It's time to make Kentucky fried chicken. Dun, 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 dun. Let's put into this beautiful sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's mix. Gently, beautiful. Wow, looks amazing. This is the easiest way to grab Korean style fried chicken in other countries. Oh my god, look at it. I cannot believe it. With Kentucky fried chicken, we made Korean style 양념치킨. We've done! Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye! This is one of my favorite flavor of Korean 양념치킨. I've just added some of walnut. If you are a big fan of nuts, you can add peanut, walnut, almond. And I add sesame seeds too. 잘 먹겠습니다. I'm trying. Beautiful and glossy sauce.